Hello, here we are on Chapter 4 review, looking at questions 4, 5, and 6. So our first question here, number 4, evaluate d squared minus f if d equals 5 and f equals 6. So again, we're evaluating, so we're replacing the letters with the numbers we're given, or we're replacing the variables with the values given. So d in this case is 5. And f is 6. So I'm going to put d, so 5 squared minus f, 6. And then we can evaluate this. So remember, 5 squared just means 5 times 5, which equals 25. So we're going to get 25 minus 6, and then we can evaluate that further to get our answer of 19. Alright, question number 5. Write the following expression using positive exponents. So notice it says using positive exponents. We currently have a negative exponent. And we have to remember, what do we see when we have negative exponents? So negative exponents mean we use the reciprocal. So we need to make a fraction. Okay, so when you see negative exponents, you should be thinking, oh, fraction. So we are going to rewrite this as 1 over x to the 5th power. Since we don't have any values, we can't evaluate this any further. So this would be our final answer. And it's written using a positive exponent like they told us. Alright, question number 6 says write an expression that is equivalent to 5 to the 4th power times 5 to the 5th power. So we'll look at a couple ways to work this out. First way would be writing it all out. So 5 to the 5th power is going to be on the top of our fraction because those are all positive exponents. So I'm going to have 4 of these, right? 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And then I see I have 5 to the negative 5. So those are going to be on the bottom, right? We can kind of think of it as 1 over 5 to the 5th power. So these are going to be down here on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. And then remember, we can divide out all our pairs. So I'm left with just 1 on the bottom. Nothing on the top, so I'm going to put a 1, and 5 on the bottom. So 1 over 5. Other way to think about it. If we were going to use just kind of our trick method. So if we're doing multiplication here, that means we're going to add our exponents together. So I'm going to add first just the exponent part. So 5 plus negative, the first one is 4 plus negative 5, which gives me an answer of negative 1. So that means my base is still 5, my exponent's negative 1. And remember, we don't like negative exponents in our answers, so we're going to write 1 over 5 to the 1st power, which is the same thing as 1 over 5. Right? 1/5 and 1 over 5 to the 1st, same value. All right. Again, if you want to write these down, go ahead and pause the video. Here it all is. Good luck.